Hi and welcome to this week's video. It will be a bit short, but don't worry, the next one is coming already this Thursday. Recently I made a video showing a variety of IKEA smart home devices that can be especially helpful during the summer. Today we are diving deeper into one of them, the VALLHORN motion sensor. As you can see, the motion sensor now uses two AAA batteries. This is actually part of a wider change. IKEA has moved away from single-use CR2032 coin batteries in their smart devices, which is a welcome move for sustainability and convenience. Let's take a quick look inside the box. You will find a bit of double-sided tape for mounting the sensor itself and some basic documentation. The sensor is already mounted on its bracket, which is a clever design feature. You've also got the buttons on the back, which are especially useful if you are connecting the sensor directly to an IKEA light bulb without using the DIRIGERA hub. The included bracket allows you to mount the VALLHORN on flat surfaces or inside corners. It's a small detail, but it really adds flexibility. The build quality of this device is genuinely nice, clean, solid and minimal. And while most people think of motion sensors just for triggering lights, VALLHORN can actually be used to automate a wide range of tasks. For example, you could connect it to your smart plugs, Apple HomeKit, or even use it to trigger custom automations while you are away. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video on how to connect and use VALLHORN with Apple Home. Thanks for watching and see you next time.